So in this video, you'll learn how to add a calendar widget to the home screen of your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step when it comes to adding a calendar widget is to simply long press on an empty space on your home screen to bring up the home screen editor. From here, tap on Widgets and then scroll through the apps until you find Calendar and select it. Under Calendar, you should see the different styles that are available for you to choose from. So just go through the options and select the one that you wish to use. Once you found it, just tap on it once and then select Add. From here, you can see the widget has been successfully added. So you'll also need to give the calendar widget access to your different settings, such as your calendar itself. So to do that, just go ahead and select it and then give permission. And once you've given the necessary permissions, now when you go back, you can see the widget has been brought up successfully. So from here, if you wish to move the calendar widget, you can just long press on it and drag it to whatever position you want on your screen. If you want to move it across home screen pages, it's fairly simple. As you can see, there's the two labels or sides that have appeared for each page. So if you want to move it across to the next page, just move it across the border and then you'll be brought to the next page. When you're happy, you can just let go of the screen and the widget will be placed there. You'll also notice that whenever you long press on the widget itself, you should see these 4 handles on the widget. So with these 4 handles, you can use it to decrease or to increase the size of the widget. So whether you want it bigger or smaller, it's completely up to you. Bear in mind that this might not work for all the widgets for all the calendar widgets. So it is very specific to only certain types of widgets. You can go a step further to customize the color of the widget. So you can long press on it and then select Settings. Under Settings, you can change the colors and just customize it to your liking. And then once you're happy, you want to remember to tap on Save to apply the changes. You'll also notice that on certain calendar widgets, there'll be this option that says Calendars to show. When you tap on it, you can customize which calendar is going to be shown on the widget, whether it's the same as the app or it's only a select calendar that you want to be seeing. So it's up to you to decide which option you'd prefer. And when you're happy, again, just tap on Save to apply the changes. And you can see I've successfully added a calendar widget to the home screen of my Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.